Good morning. Good morning, dear student. Today, in this class, in the bridge course, day 14, we will learn about some riddle and puzzles. How we solve that riddle, how we solve the puzzles. रिडल पहेलियाँ जो रहती है मैथ्स की पहेलियाँ, हम उसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, इसको ट्राई करना है. ठीक है. लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? 3 plus 3 equal to 8. Whether it is right? Whether it is right? No. We know that 3 plus 3 equal to 6. But it is written here 8. If you will be asked to solve it, to correct it, then what will we do? Yes, we can just remove this matchstick and this will become 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Correct? It will be 3 plus 3 equal to this will be 6. But the question is not the same. The question is here, move just 2 matchsticks to make the equation correct. The question is asking here, we have to move 2 मैच स्टिक. हमको यहाँ पे एक मैच स्टिक नहीं हटाना है, हमको 2 मैच स्टिक हटाकर वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. हमको 2 मैच स्टिक हटाकर इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. तब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? लुक एट फर्स्ट वी विल रिमूव दिस वर्टिकल मैच स्टिक एंड प्लेस इट हियर like this. Now this became 9. Now this is 9. Okay, and this plus symbol become minus. ये जो प्लस है वो बन गया माइनस because we have removed the vertical matchstick. Now second, from here we remove this middle matchstick. ये जो बीच में matchstick है we will replace it. We will remove it from here and put it like this. हम इसको यहाँ से उठाकर we will pick up this and put at this place. Again this become 9. ये दोनों 9 बन गए. और जब आप इस मिडिल वाले इस मैचस्टिक को हटा देंगे so that will become 0. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. इस तरह से ये आपका सॉल्व हो गया. ठीक है. 3 plus 3 equal to 8 था. यहाँ से हमको 2 मैच स्टिक हटाना था तो हमने 2 हटा दिया. एंड व्हाट इक्वेशन? दैट इज 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, let's go next video. Look at here. This is again one puzzle. You have to find out this missing number. In this question mark, what number will come? Pause the video for few seconds, for few minutes, till you solve this question. Then you can see you can correct your answer. You can check your answer. Okay? You can pause. I am telling the answer. Here will be 3. The answer will be here 3. But how? How here will be 3? So look at this first puzzle. Outside of the circle there are 4 numbers 5, 6, 7 and 6. When we multiply these two numbers, the numbers which are in front of each other, 6 into 6, that will be 36. And the number which are placed vertically outside of this circle, that are 5 and 7. If we multiply these two, that will be 35. And if you subtract this 36 minus 35, you will get this middle number. Again in next one, if you multiply these two, 6 into 3, that will be 18, minus if you multiply this vertically outside of circles number, 3 into 4, that will be 12. And Here the answer is 18 minus 12, that is 6. It is placed here. Same thing is following in this question puzzle. 7 into 3, that will be 21, and the number which are placed vertically 2 and 9. If you multiply these two, 2 nines are 18, and if you subtract these two, you will get 3. Correct? You will get 3. So in this way you can solve this puzzle. Next one. Now look at, again this is one more puzzle where we have used a matchstick, and here the question is, can you move 4 matchsticks to form 3 square? You can see here are 2 squares, one bigger square and one smaller square. Here are 2 square. Now in this puzzle we have to move any 4 matchsticks and form 3 squares. हमको यहाँ से 4 मैचस्टिक को रिप्लेस करना है, मूव करना है, एक जगह से उठाकर दूसरी जगह रखना है, और इस तरह से रखना है कि उससे 3 स्क्वायर बन जाए. Again you can pause the video and you can solve it. Let us see the solution. Move this matchstick and place here. Okay. Again move this matchsticks and place that matchstick here. Clear? Then move these matchsticks and put it here, and again you can move these matchsticks and put it here. Now these 2 matchsticks are removed and these 2 are also removed and placed like this. Look at in the next video, next slide. Look at here. यहाँ पे जो 2 मैचस्टिक थे इनको उठाकर यहाँ और यहाँ प्लेस किया गया, और इन 2 जो मैचस्टिक हैं इनको यहाँ पे प्लेस कर दिया. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी 3 स्क्वायर्स. लुक एट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट स्क्वायर, then in the middle there is the second square, and in this outside there is the third square. So here are 3 squares which have made by moving 4 matchstick. Next one, look at, this is very simple, you can solve it easily. Here are 4 different types of balls, and each balls have different numbers. Like this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 5, and this is number 4. Means this football its number is 2. This football, volleyball, you can see its number is 3. This ball's number is 5, and this ball number is 4. Now here in this square you can see different balls are placed. What you have to do, just look at this first line, first row. Here 2 volleyball and 2 footballs are placed, and you have to count what will be the total of these 4 balls. So what is the value of this volleyball? Yes, this is 3. This football's value is 2. Again this is 3, and this is 2. When you add these all 4 numbers, that will be 10. Like this like this you have to solve other equations. Let us see the second one. Here this yellow ball, its value you can see from there, that is 5. Football's value is 2. This volleyball's value is 3, and again one yellow ball, that's value is 5. Now what will be total? 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10, and 10 plus 5, that is 15. Okay, like this you have to solve next two puzzles, and also you have to solve this vertically puzzles. Okay, let's see another one. How many circles contain the black dots? What is its meaning? You can see there is a dot, and this dot is situated in two circles. Which two circles? This one and this one. Like that we have to count all these circles which contain black dots. हमको क्या करना है, इसमें जितने भी आपको ब्लैक डॉट्स दिख रहे हैं वो कितने सर्कल्स में उपस्थित हैं वो आपको काउंट करना है. तो चलिए आपको समय देते हैं. You can pause the video and solve. I am going to solve this. So look at this first dot. It is contains in two circles. So first is 2. Again look at this dot. It is contained in 1 and 2 and 3. These 3 circles. So second dot is situated in 3 circles. Next look at this dot. This dot is situated only in this single circle. ये और किसी भी सर्कल्स में अटेंड नहीं किया है, केवल एक सर्कल में है. तो इसका हो जाएगा यस 1. नाउ लुक एट दिस. अगेन this dot is situated in this circle and this one. So this dot is also situated in contains in two circles. Like this dot is in only one circle and this dot is in two circle. When you add all this, add this 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9 and 9 plus 2 11. So dots contain 11 circle. Okay, correct. Let us see another puzzle. Look at in first picture you can see the weight of a cat and a rabbit, that is 10 kilogram. In second pictures here is the weight of a dog and a rabbit and their weight is 20 kilogram. Next one, a dog and a cat, their weight is yes 24 kilogram. Correct. Now we have to find out the weight of all the three animals. What will be that? So if you add these three, 10 plus 20 plus 24, 10 plus 20 plus 24, what is the total? That is 54. And you can see when you add these three, okay, when you add these three total weight, you can find that cat is placed here 2 times, dog is also placed here 2 times and rabbit is also placed here 2 times. So these three animals are come for 2 times, है ना. दो बार इनको ऐड किया गया है. इसमें एक कैट, एक रैबिट, एक डॉग, एक रैबिट और एक डॉग और कैट. तो सबको हम दो बार जब वेट करेंगे तो तीनों का टोटल वेट कितना आएगा? 54. बट वी हैव टू वेट देम फॉर सिंगल टाइम, एक एक बार. तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाफ ऑफ 54 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, दैट इज 27 किलोग्राम. तो यहाँ पर इसका वेट कितना हो जाएगा? 27 7 किलोग्राम। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, सॉल्व दिस पजल। यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टू नंबर्स। कौन कौन से ऐसे दो नंबर आपको खोजने हैं? इफ यू डिवाइड देम योर आंसर विल बी 2, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई देम आल्सो द आंसर विल आल्सो 2। व्हाट आर दैट टू नंबर्स? ऐसे कौन से दो नंबर है? यदि आप उनको डिवाइड करते हैं या मल्टीप्लाई करें, दोनों ही कंडीशन में आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? 2। सॉल्व। तब हम इस थर्ड इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। Pause the video and solve it. I am solving the answer. Yes, that numbers are 2 and 1. If you divide 2 divided by 1, answer is 2. If you multiply them, 2 into 1, the answer is 2. So what will be its answer? 2 minus 1. Yes, its answer is 1. So this is the solution. Like this, I am sharing here in the Google Classroom one more URL. From there you can find a lot of puzzles. Okay, try to solve that puzzles, and if you find any problem, you can contact me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.